Shotgun bang!
Oh! Oh, hello.
I've been stranded here for 5 years. I've dreamt of my rescue every cold, black night since then. For 5 years, I've had only one thought, one goal: survive.
Buttercup was raised on a small farm in the country of Florin. Our favorite pastimes were riding our horse and tormenting the farm boy that worked there. His name was Wesley, but she never called him that.
Hello, Mr. Fisk. I've got the security tapes from the tunnel right here. If the kid's out there, I'll find them.
Stark, we're on your 3 headed northeast.
What, did you stop for drive-through? Swing up park. I'm gonna lay him out for you.
You're still here. It's over. Go home.